Hello and welcome to Helpful Hints. Today's topic, masking. You can easily blend multiple pictures and easily show or hide a layer without damaging it. Let's get started. With Procreate open in your preferred canvas, drag your color of choice on the first layer. Select the Layer tab. Create a new layer. With a different color, start brushing on the new layer. Call it when you're ready. Now go to that layer's options here, select Mask. What pops up is the mask. You will either be using white to add or black to hide the layer it is masking. Now let's edit it. Let's start off with the black swatch as it will be much easier to illustrate the nature of this process. See how it disappears, but when you look at the layer, it's still there and shadowed out. Now let's switch over to the white swatch to add what we hid away back into play. Voila! It's as good as new, and now you can mess around with masking in your projects of all kinds. Stay tuned for the next helpful hint, clipping masks.